Hi guys, Tiana Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be working on a renter-friendly bathroom makeover on a budget. My client wanted a nautical beach theme, so I went on Pinterest to look for some inspiration. Here's the before, and stay tuned for the after. So here I am going through my Dollar Tree stash to see what I have left over from previous crafts. Comment down below if you also have a Dollar Tree craft stash. Okay, here's a picture of everything that I got from Dollar Tree. I got 3 of these 4x6 frames that I'm going to put words in using these letters. I got 2 of these jars. They are going to be putting either these rocks or the shells, and putting these flowers in there. I also got the infamous jars from Dollar Tree. Then I found these 2 well mirrors. Then I got this is a pack of 4 washcloths. Obviously they're on the these were on the bathroom aisle, and these are actually kitchen towels because they didn't have a dark blue washcloth, so I'm going to be using these kitchen towels, but they're just for decoration purposes. Found these on the bathroom aisle also. Shower caddies. If you watch my other bathroom makeover video, you saw that I used this on the wall. I am going to take these wood planks, glue them down here on each of these rows. Then I'm going to take the nautical rope and hot glue it around. These in my last Dollar Tree haul that I'm going to be using. Found 2 succulents, the imitation succulents. And my nautical rope. I also picked up these crates from the craft aisle at Dollar Tree. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take the nautical rope and I'm going to hot glue it around the caddy. Next, I'm taking the wooden planks and I spray painted them white, and then I'm going to glue them down to the shelves on the caddy. Now for the frames, I took out the glass portion and I spray painted those blue and placed them back into the frame, and now I'm going to place the letters on each of the frames. Next, for the vase, I'm taking the nautical rope and I'm just going to hot glue around the top portion of the vase. I'm going to take some of the marbles and some of the shells and just place them at the bottom of the vase. And now finally for the jars, I'm just going to take some more of that nautical rope, hot glue it around the top, and then I'm going to take more of the shells and some of the marbles and place them at the bottom of the jar. And now for the difficult part, hanging the actual wallpaper. I needed my husband's assistance for this because the walls were really high up and uneven. It's easier if two people are hanging the paper, one to hang and press against the wall while the other person pulls down the back of the wallpaper. I couldn't find my actual scraper, so I told my husband to use his phone to smooth out the wallpaper on the wall. I didn't show the entire process, but it took us about 2.5 hours to put the wallpaper on the 3 walls. I think it was so difficult because the walls weren't entirely smooth. Okay, here's what I'm using to place the items on the wall. These self-adhesive hooks and also the pop dot tape. The pop dot tape you find on the craft owl, and the self-adhesive hooks you find on the hardware owl. Thank you for tuning in to my video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.